Presenting Inkflow. Create UGC-level content instantly. No more ChatGPT, Jasper, or Writer. Just enter a URL or keyword and AI generates high-converting content. Email, ebook, blog, social media post, ads, SEO, sales copywriting, video script, quiz and polls, research and more. Let's agree on one thing. In today's world, content is everything. We all know that top marketers, influencers, and brands dominate the digital space with high-quality content, consistently showing up on top feeds and making millions. The harsh reality? Most businesses struggle to create content that actually connects with people. And that's where the problem lies. You've wanted to create engaging content that builds your brand, but it's not happening yet. It's not your fault. Creating high-quality content is overwhelming and time-consuming. Hiring skilled writers costs thousands of dollars per project. Doing it yourself? Writing engaging content takes years of expertise. And worst of all, AI writing tools sound robotic and dull. No one wants to read or engage with that. That's why we built Inkflow, to help you create UGC-level content that sounds human, not like a bot. Proudly presenting Inkflow. AI-powered UGC-level content creation at your fingertips. Kickstart your content marketing with 3 easy steps. Enter a keyword or URL. Choose a keyword, YouTube link, or website URL and select the content type: email, blog, ad copy, or ebook. Customize and refine. Adjust the tone, style, or persona and fine-tune AI-generated UGC content for better engagement. Publish and profit. Post high-quality UGC content across blogs, social media, and emails, or sell content services for big profits. Do you know that freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge upwards of $500 to $1,000 per content project? Ever before Inkflow, we were paying $2,000 to freelance copywriters just for sales page copywriting and video script creation. Now you can do all this with Inkflow. No writing skills or expensive freelancers needed. Imagine posting your own gig. Inkflow's AI does the work in seconds while you outshine the competition. Let me show you the power-packed features of Inkflow. AI-powered UGC writing. Generate blogs, emails, ads, and more in seconds. Turn URLs and videos into content. Auto-generate SEO posts from any source. AI that sounds like you. No robotic tones, just natural human flow. AI-generated email sequences. Create high-converting emails that engage and sell effortlessly. Instant ebook creation. Generate full-length, high-quality ebooks in minutes with AI-powered content. Automate social media content. Schedule posts across major platforms. Built-in SEO and copywriting. Create high-ranking content effortlessly. Repurpose videos into blogs. Convert YouTube videos into articles. Autocomplete marketing tasks. AI handles content creation for you. Multi-language support. Write and translate in 100+ languages. Commercial license included. Sell AI-generated content and run a 6-figure content agency. The future of AI-powered UGC-level content creation is here. Imagine an AI tool that doesn't just generate content but helps you build your brand, boost engagement, and drive real results. It's time to stand out. Create UGC-level content that feels personal and genuine. Spark conversations that truly connect with your audience. Wow customers with content that sounds authentic and natural. Capture attention instantly with engaging storytelling. But beware, Inkflow will soon turn into monthly subscription immediately after this introductory launch period. Thus, it makes sense to grab Inkflow now before it's too late. Remember, your purchase is backed by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If you're not thrilled with the outcomes, simply contact our support team for a hassle-free refund. No fuss, no hassle, just a straightforward money-back guarantee. Click the button below and get Inkflow for the lowest price ever. Good luck, and we'll see you inside. Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'll show you how Inkflow's AI generates UGC-level content for all your writing needs. That sounds like you, not a robot. Magically turn any URL, YouTube video, or just a keyword into UGC level, email, ebook, blog, social media post, ads, SEO, sales copywriting, video script, quiz and polls, research, and more. Without further delay, let's dive in. This is the Inkflow dashboard. Here you can see the total number of projects you've created in total workspace. Customers only VIP training to help you get started. Quick links for easy navigation, and below that you can find favorite projects. At the top left, you'll find the workspace section, where you can view all your workspaces or add a new one. On the bottom right, there's a language option to switch the entire software to your preferred language. Now, let's create your first project. Let's create an email campaign using Inkflow AI. Click on Email, then Create New. Enter a reference name for your email. Select the email type from available categories. Enter a URL, YouTube video, or any web content to use as inspiration. This is one of Inkflow's most powerful features. If you like the writing style of a specific article or post, simply paste the URL. Inkflow will analyze and learn from it, then generate similar and better content for you, 100% unique and copyright-free. Now, you have two options. Wizard, quick and easy, just fill in a few details and let AI do the rest. Keynote, more control for those who prefer detailed inputs. We'll go with Wizard mode for now. Fill in the details and hit Generate. Your email is ready. You can modify it to suit your needs. Add AI-generated or stock images. Adjust links, sections, tone, style, and length with simple edits. Save and schedule your emails directly from the dashboard. With one-click scheduling, you can set up your entire email campaign in advance, saving you hours every week. Or you can copy and download the email in your preferred format. Once saved, you'll be taken to the listing page where you can modify it anytime, mark it as a favorite, or choose from various actions. Next, creating and publishing blog posts. Let's create a blog post. Click on Blog, then Create New. Name your blog and select a category. Enter a URL or YouTube video. Inkflow will convert the content into a fully formatted blog post. This is a major advantage for affiliate marketing, SEO, and product reviews. By leveraging high-ranking content, you can boost your blog's visibility without spending years on research. Hit Generate, and in seconds, your 100% unique and plagiarism-free blog post is ready. Update images, links, and formatting. Download or schedule your post directly. Publish to Blogger and social media in one click. You are now on the blog listing page, where you'll find the Action button. Click on the Share button to instantly publish your blog post on Blogger and various social media platforms. Now, let's preview the blog. It's optimized and ready to go. You can do same for the rest of the writing styles and categories. Next, move to Research and More. Need ideas, facts, or fresh content daily? The Research and More section helps you instantly gather insights on any topic, generate content ideas, summaries, and facts. Stay ahead with trending and niche topics. A simple and clean interface allows you to manage all your marketing tasks in one place. Finally, let's dive into Settings, where you have complete control over your platform. Here you can manage workspace, manage clients, teams, white label, subscription, integrations, tutorials, bonuses, and customer support. Let's check the white label. For the very first time, we are giving complete flexibility to build your authority by replacing the Inkflow dashboard logo with your own branding. Add your logo, colors, and style to make the platform truly yours and attract clients who see your business as the trusted source for content marketing agency. Also, you can switch the tool into dark and light mode. Now, let's focus on Manage Clients. Adding new clients is simple. Enter the client's name and email, click the button, and their login details are instantly sent to their inbox. You can update or remove a client with just one click using the Edit or Delete option. Effortlessly grow your business network with our streamlined client management system. I hope you're as excited about Inkflow as I am. This demo is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's creating profitable AI solutions, scaling your agency, or transforming customer interactions, Inkflow is the future of content creating. See you inside the members area, where innovation meets imagination.